Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to put two videos on top of each other, so like a split screen mode. So if you want to have a video playing at the top and a video playing at the bottom, then let me show you how to turn on the split screen mode on your Capcut application. So before we begin, you want to first go ahead and open up App Store or Play Store, search for Capcut and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, we'll go ahead and tap on New Project, and we'll go ahead and take this video, for example, here. Next, we're going to go ahead and add another video. So we're going to go ahead. Next, we'll go ahead and add another video. So we want another video playing at the same time. So we'll tap on Add Overlay, and we'll go ahead and select this video. Now we'll go ahead and tap on Add. Now we'll go ahead and resize it so it's full screen. Now next, we'll go ahead and select the second video or the overlay video which we selected. Select that video and then go ahead and swipe left and find mask. Tap on it and then we'll go ahead and tap on horizontal mask. Then we'll go ahead and tap on it. And then we'll go ahead and choose what part of the video we want to show. So let's just say we want to show the bottom part of the video. Then we're going to go ahead and tap on the tick. And now when we press play, you'll see the top part of the video being played on another video and the bottom part is being played on another video. We can go ahead and select that video and we can go ahead and move it down. So now when you press play, you'll see both of these videos being played in split screen mode. So there you go guys, that is how to put two videos on top and bottom on your Capcut in split screen mode on your Capcut application.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.